Welcome folks, we're here in Winter Garden today, Apopka Sound on the lake. Welcome back to our channel. We're excited to really show you the inside of this house. It is absolutely amazing.
This beautiful home is approximately 3,000 square feet. But before we show you this beautiful home, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss another home tour. Come on in and take a look.
As we walk into this house, this is like a really nice sitting area. What do you think, Kelly?
I can see myself reading in here or searching on the internet or just relaxing.
Yeah, we put some nice chairs and this would be really nice. The nice windows. Take a look at these dual Carrier air conditioning units. Carrier is really great brand. 2 air conditioners. So this is really nice. I love the cabinets. Look at the stone countertops are really nice. Look, it has an oven and a microwave, built-in oven microwave.
Oh, I love this popular. This is so convenient.
That's very nice, yeah. Then you don't have to carry big, heavy pots of water around. Flat surface stove.
Very nice.
Love the cabinets too. The cabinets are really nice.
These drawers are convenient and hold plenty of pots and pans.
And look, they have the soft touch close on.
Very nice.
They close automatically.
I love this butler pantry. It has the beautiful stone counters still and plenty of storage.
Check out this. This is a nice half bath too. It goes right outside into the backyard for the get to the lake. So this is a really nice dining area. Little chandelier. You get to look out at the lake while you're eating breakfast.
See me sitting here with a cup of coffee. Wow, look at this tray of ceilings.
Yeah, that is really nice. This is the master bedroom. It is huge. You can definitely fit a huge king-size bed in here and some really big furniture.
And look at that view of the lake.
The view is amazing.
It's so beautiful.
So this is the master bathroom. It is definitely a huge bathroom. It has a linen closet here. And look at this bathtub. It is definitely big enough to fit myself into this bathtub for a really nice bath. It has a really great shower, 2 shower heads, 2 shower controls. That's going to give you an ultimate massage in this shower for sure. And take a look at this large walk-in closet here for the master bedroom. It is huge. And take a look, you even get your separate throne room to be able to close the doors in your bathroom. So this is a first floor bedroom. And look over here, it has some really great double doors, French style doors. It's a really nice closet. So if you absolutely love this house, they are having some huge discounts and incentives on this particular one. It is ready to go. DR Horton says sell. They have $20,000 towards your closing cost with this one, 4.99 interest rate. Wow, can you believe that? give me a call. Click the button below to schedule your private showing, or we can show you anything for that matter. Click the button below in the description and book on my calendar, and we'll get you going with a brand new house, new construction, anywhere in Central Florida.